for this day for quite some time. Driving a supercar. It's not an Italian supercar, it's an English supercar. Driving the McLaren 570s. And the number is not just put there casually. 570 is the amount of brake horsepower that this car has. When you enter here, the first impression is you are entering into a race car. My left foot is touching the arch of the wheel, and the pedals are so narrow, so near each other, and it feels like a proper race car cockpit. So I'm very excited to drive this one in Dubai, outside the city, which is the only way to enjoy these cars. We teamed up with Evo and with the Performante. The Performante is our guide. We're driving outside of Dubai. We'll get into a mountain road where, how to say, there are no cameras. Section, so we have reached the Funland section. Woo! Oh, look at the road. Acceleration is quite brutal, and it's lovely to drive in this road, very wide. That's what 280 in the corner felt like. Got to love the brakes on this car. So what's happening now? We're stopping this road section. The guide is going to stop a 1 kilometer section. He's going to call the car in front of me so they can go as fast as he can, and then it will be my turn. This car already proven that it's really fast. Copy. Something's up with the car. I got the ABS on, the alignment, it's beeping. I went to 6th, 7th gear and I felt the car, so I was losing power. And then when I downshift to a full stop, the car was shaking, vibrating, and I got all the beep sound, and now they're checking it. It could be as simple as the fuel level, because it went very low, so it might have triggered the limp mode, or now they're checking it out. And well, it's part of the experience, right? So but I'm getting a really good fun out of this, and it's an amazing place, beautiful weather, beautiful cars. No matter what happens from now on, I'm happy. Well, so here's my first experience with the McLaren. Let's say that it was fun for quite a while, I have to say. We ran out of fuel, and it wasn't the moment I was doing the highest speed, so I think the electric wasn't coping with the fuel pump seamlessly, so I sucked up air at least. And yeah, and I'll basically wrap up our McLaren session now. I'm very happy that I've driven the McLaren for the first time. I like it. Overall great experience, but if I have to do the tour again, I think I will go back to the Stallion 488 or the Huracan Evo, which proved to be really fast, reliable, and petrol consumption much lower than this. So I guess till the next time. Bye bye from Dubai.